Hi guys, this is what my face looks like without makeup, without filter. I have like one of the best complexions in the whole wide world. Black is beauty. So I'm getting late for mass and I'm doing my makeup. My makeup is basically just two things: my concealer, then my foundation, after which I line my eyes and then I do my eyebrows. Mind you, I don't like shave my brows. I like my brows the way they are. I can also do a smoky eye like I'm doing right now. And then we're done. I love my makeup very nude. Like I said, I'm done my makeup. I don't like too much color on my face. Actually, this is basically a normal makeup for me. And I do my own nails. Actually, I have my machine, I have my gel, I have acrylic, I have everything. I do it myself. So if you ever see me with nails, just know that I did it myself. And since I'm late for mass and I didn't get time to do it yesterday, I'm just going to hurriedly put white on top of blue. I don't know what color that's going to give me, but let's just do this. I just have to go to church and a girl child's got to look beautiful somehow. So when I get back, I can change this and do something better, but for now, we'll do with this. Yep. All right, it's time to dress up. I'll do that off camera. So usually people, this is what my simple makeup looks like without filter. So when I add filter to it, this is what it looks like. Adorable. I love this filter. So this is the shoe I'm gonna be rocking. Yeah, first because I think it matches this color. Secondly, I just love open shoes. Like when I was working, when I was doing my internship, when I was at the ministry, things were so difficult for me because I had to wear closed shoes, like those ones that cover all of my feet, and it wasn't easy for me. Sometimes I have to like climb the stairs like 5 times in a day. It wasn't easy for me. Okay guys, about perfume, I use $1 million, but there is something you will always find in my handbag. That's the Chanel Claire. First, because whenever my perfume is finished, it's very cheap and very nice. When my perfume is finished, I can always use this while I get another one. And I think that the blend of $1 million and Chanel Claire is very nice. That's why I'm doing this. There's no way you will open my handbag and there is no Chanel Claire in it. It's really nice. Yep. Then I can now go in with this. Yep. Yeah. I fine, ba. See how I fine. See how I'm fine. See my legs. See those legs. See my complexion. See black beauty. See fine girl. Oh God. Look at my legs. Look at my bum bum. I am too beautiful. I'm fine. No, Faith, you fine. Kiwo, you're beautiful. I'm fine. I don't need anybody to tell me. I know. I fine. See catwalk. See me now entering church. Oh God.